If you're not doing this, you're not getting Band 7. You don't speak English daily. You don't listen to real English. You don't read in English. You don't write full sentences in English. But you want Band 7? IELTS is not hard. Your habits are. 1. Speaking. Don't expect a Band 7 in speaking if English only comes out of your mouth once a week. You're not bad at speaking. You just don't speak daily. You must practice speaking English every day. 2. Listening. How do you expect a high listening score if English is not part of your daily life? You don't listen to podcasts, TV, or real conversations, but you want Band 7? Be serious. Practice listening to real IELTS listening tests. 3. Reading. You can't pass IELTS reading if the only English you read is the test. Band 7 readers don't start with IELTS. They read English every day. Make sure you read English books for 20 minutes daily. 4. Writing. You want Band 7 writing, but you've never written a full essay without Google Translate. If you can't write one clear sentence, why are you aiming for Band 7? Write sentences and essays and practice writing full answers to get a Band 7. 5. Reality check. You want to study abroad, but you don't want to study English. You want a visa for university, a job, but not the work? IELTS will expose that. IELTS is not the problem. Your habits are. Change your habits for a Band 7. Stop blaming the exam. Start fixing your routine. 6. Brutal but true. You don't need a better teacher. You need better discipline. Watching one IELTS video a day won't fix years of weak English. Band 7 is not luck. It's daily effort. Subscribe to IELTS Education 25 to get IELTS Band 7.